Do you want to learn how to add a mobile frame to your video? If so, let's start tutorial. First, open CapCut, then New Project. Select Stock Video. Drag it as you want. Select Ratio, then YouTube 16:9. Select Canvas. Select Colors. Select the color as desired. Add Overlay. Add stickers. Select Phone Frame Sticker. Adjust the sticker according to screenshot. Drag the sticker to match the video length. Select Mask, then Rectangle Shape. Move the arrows to match the frame. This is the result. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you liked what you saw, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.